That's the first thing, surrender to Guru. Now the second limb of devotion is accepting initiation from the spiritual master and receiving instructions from him, which we've been hearing about. Let's go, Sri Krishna Diksh Adi Shikshanam. Rupa Goswami again quotes Sri Prabhupada. A disciple has to accept the spiritual master not only as one spiritual master, but also as a representative of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. After rejecting material life and taking shelter of a spiritual master, one must accept him with full faith. Diksha is the spiritual master's formal acceptance of a disciple's commitment and faith. Without this commitment, the disciple cannot possess the unyielding faith required to properly assimilate the Guru's spiritual instruction. Srila Prabhupada explains, one should learn Srimad Bhagavatam seriously with all respect and veneration for the spiritual master.